Singing black is the name and music is my game. Me say we want more food in our pot. Give you some work or we want some cash. Me tired fi just down a chippy them shop. Tired of the hungry. And from we talk about food, we have to mention Chef Henry from License Acacia Road, St. Thomas in Jamaica. That certified chef who would cook you up some finger-licking meal. Chef Henry is always up and available to cook at your any occasion. Link him up on 1-876-287-4202. Check out his YouTube channel, Life of a Jamaican Chef. Check him out on Facebook, Life of a Jamaican Chef. He's on TikTok, Life of a Jamaican Chef. And you can check out his IG page, Chef Henry, Soulfly, Yard Food. Me say we want more food in our pot. Chef Henry, check him out.